Well, hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the Dr. Auto Spa Custom and Detail and Ceramic Coatings channel. We're working on a brand new 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit. Beautiful white, as you can see. It's still in preparation. And let's talk a little bit about preparation. I've got on my table over here, I'm going to show you exactly kind of some of the different steps. Now keep in mind, this has already been washed, fully detoxed. We do basically a foam cannon shampoo, so suds are everywhere when we're washing this thing to try to get every nooks and crannies out and make sure it's spotless during the cleaning process. All right, now we got to follow up. The next step is go to a clay bar, and these are common questions I'm often asked on a brand new vehicle. Is it really necessary to do a clay bar? I mean, do you need to do a machine polishing step? The short answer is yes, and here's why. Even if the vehicle is parked on a showroom floor inside of the dealership, sure, it's already been detailed, it's nice and clean, it looks great, but there are contaminants in the air that will contact themselves into the clear coat a little bit. These a lot of times won't come off during the wash process. That's where you go into the clay bar step. So let me show you what a clay bar is exactly. Now I've got a little box here to show you what this is. It comes into a big bar like this, and it's a real thick piece of putty. I don't know if you can see this on my camera. Let's see if I can pull in the lens a little bit closer. Maybe you can see. Yeah, you can see. You see all that dirt that's on there? That was actually pulled off. This is a brand new vehicle. It doesn't have any miles on it, and it was actually pulled off of the paint after the wash process. So definitely an important step. Got a little bit of clay bar lube here in this. This is just lubrication that we spray on the panels so that the clay bar can go real easy back and forth on the car. Then we've got our machine polishing set up here, as well as our polish primer that we're going to, well, we've already put on it, but that's the next step that we do. Now after we've done this, we'll remove it. You can kind of see a little bit in the paint right now. You might be able to see some of, if I can catch the right light on it. It's got a little bit of swirls. I'm just letting that polish sit on there a little bit. That's just from the polish itself. So that'll come off pretty easy. Once I get that put on, I'm going to do what's called a paint booster, and I forgot to get that out of my cabinet. So let me go and grab that real quick here. Now this is also another important step. It's a paint builder, okay? It's going to add some additional gloss that we're going to put on the car. Once we've put that on, we'll take that back off, and then we'll follow up with our final step of a ceramic coating. In this case, we're doing the Dr. Beasley's Nano Resin, which is a 5-year warranted coating on it. So this is going to look fantastic once we get done with it. I'm really excited to show you the end results, but just thought I would show you a little quick demo video of some of the steps that go into, there you go, you can see some of that polish real good right there on that, just kind of sitting on there. I've also put it on the glass here too, because we're going to put a glass coating on it, so just kind of cleanse up the glass a little bit. And I got to do a little bit more detoxification to the rims, but we'll put our coating on that as well. So stay tuned for the next video or two. You'll see our follow-up on the final product. Really appreciate you watching. If we can do anything for you, hey, shoot us a call, send us an email, website form, whatever. We're here for you. Hope you have an awesome day. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time.